Today's video is a 2-minute tip video, and it comes to us courtesy of Natalie H. Y2I. So why don't we just jump right into it. Natalie H. Y2I, she writes, could you show us how to safely dispose of used rags? So maybe you're thinking, come on, Leah, how to get rid of dirty rags? Really, is that any mystery? You just take them and you toss them, right? Well, not really. And here's the reason why. You know, Natalie H. was really talking about a specific dirty rag. And you're probably thinking, are there different kinds of dirty rags? And yes, absolutely, there are. So here's the thing. If you do a lot of DIY projects and you wind up with dirty rags that are soaked in oil, you just can't toss these things into the trash because there's something called spontaneous combustion. You know, dirty rags can just suddenly catch on fire, just burst in the flames. It happens because oil reacts with oxygen and it generates heat. Now, if those rags are balled up, that heat can't escape, and then boom, you got yourself a fire. So that's why you have to be very careful of how you get rid of a dirty rag. So this is how you prevent it. You never want to leave oily rags in a pile. Lay them out flat to dry, take them outside even, or toss them in a metal can with water and a tight-fitting lid. Now this is what I do. I like to take my rags and I like to soak them in water, then I wring them out well and I lay them flat on some surface that's not combustible, concrete, tile, stainless steel sink. I let them dry out, and then I place them in a metal can and I securely put that lid on. Now you want to make certain that you're properly dispose of that can of rags. You know, you don't want to stick it in the regular trash. Check with your city and see if they have a city-sponsored hazardous waste collection day like they do in my neighborhood. Listen, if you've got a question, I want you to just reach out, place a comment in the comment section below and just say, hey, Leah, listen, this is what I'm struggling with. Do you think maybe you could make a video about it? And if it's a subject that I have yet to cover on video, well, it's got a really good chance of becoming a video. Now, if you haven't heard about the seejanedrill home improvement course, you'll want to check it out because it's not just a course, but it's a community. We meet every month and we talk about various problems that you're having with your projects. It's really nice and intimate, and I just love doing it. So check that out as well. I'm going to place a link in the description below. And this is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.